Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
The standard of measure used for the kilogram has been replaced after more than a century in use. Innovation.
Officials believe the standard of measurement using complex physics and electromagnetic force is better for today's technology-driven world. This is the last world measurement standard to be replaced by innovation.
An innovation is a new idea, device, or method.
In business, innovation is the development of new, useful products and an improvement of services.
The change that innovation brings is often seen as important and favorable.